channel has no face, no host, no studio, and it made $200,000 last year. Most people think you need to show your face to grow on YouTube, and that's just wrong. This channel posts AI documentary videos, no talking head, no camera setup, and in under 12 months, 300,000 subscribers, 30 million views, roughly $200,000 in ad revenue, just from this style of editing. Here's what's wild. You can copy this exact style today for almost nothing, and in this video, I'll show you every tool, every effect, and every editing trick he uses step by step inside Capcut, which is completely free. And by the end, you'll have a finished, ready-to-upload video that looks like it cost thousands to make. Every single video on this channel starts the same way. That animated paper text, that's his hook every time, and viewers stay because of it. Go to the free Google Doc linked below, find the paper animation tool, open it, change the aspect ratio to 16:9, type your opening line, hit create, and in under 10 seconds, you get a cinematic animated intro. And you don't even need to pay right now. Just download it with the watermark, learn the process first, invest later. Now, here's the part nobody else teaches. You can make your text cards feel alive, like they're moving with purpose, like Netflix spent money on this, and it takes 60 seconds to set up. Add a rounded gray-black square, not full black, that looks cheap. Place your text on top, select both on the timeline, right-click, hit Create Compound Clip, they're now one object. Drag the card below the screen, add a keyframe, move your pin forward, drag the card back up, and you just told Capcut exactly where to start and where to end. But it still looks robotic, so right-click the second keyframe, select Preset Curves, choose Cubic Ease, and play it back, because that one click is the difference between an amateur edit and something that feels genuinely premium. Now, you need footage, and this is where most beginners go wrong. They try to film themselves. Don't. Go to Pexels, it's in the Google Doc, search your topic, filter for horizontal videos. Every clip is royalty-free, you can monetize it, 0 copyright strikes. Drag your paper animation to the Capcut timeline first, drag your B-roll right after. Go to Transitions, search Glare, download Glare 1, click the plus between the clips. One click, cinematic transition, done. Click the B-roll clip, go to Adjust, drop the saturation to 0, black and white, instantly more serious, more premium. Then go to Effects, search BW Scanner, drag it across the full footage, and that's the documentary look, achieved. Add your text, change the font to Enter 24-point black, type your stat, make it big, and here's the trick. Select just one word, make it red, and then when you add your next card using the compound motion we just covered, make one word red there too. Your viewer's brain connects the dots instantly. That's visual storytelling. And one more thing, those 3D animated visuals this channel uses between segments, you don't need a designer, you just need one prompt. Go to Higgsfield, link is below, create a free account, go to Image, Create Image, paste the prompt from the doc, hit Generate, and in 10 seconds you've got a cinematic 3D image that matches the exact visual style of this channel. Drop it into Capcut, add a glare transition, and you're done. So let's recap. A paper animation hook, free B-roll with a documentary filter, text cards with professional motion, red word psychology, and AI-generated 3D visuals. All of it free or under $4 a month. But here's the thing, editing is only half the equation, because you can have the most beautiful edit in the world, and if the script doesn't hold attention from second one, nobody stays. So if you want to know exactly how to write a script for this style of video, one that keeps people watching the whole way through,